As our next step, we will make the roof. You'll need 6 strands. For this roof, we're going to make chain stitch. Come up a little bit from the beginning of this back stitch. We're coming down in the same hole. And leave a loop. Then I come up again just a little bit near the back stitch. I come up and go into this loop and then pull the needle. That's it. To repeat the stitch, we'll just come in the same hole, then come up, and one more time, come down. Don't go under the back stitch, go near. And now we're going in the same hole. Now continue making this the rows of chain stitch. I chose this amount of strands just to show the difference in volume, in texture that it gives. The stitch is already nice to touch, so go ahead. If you are holding your hoop in hands, it's all just the same. So you can help with your thumb. Now we're going to make, let's say, something abstract with the same 6 strands. We're making short straight diagonal stitches. let's secure the thread, because we'll need one strand for the rest of the buildings. And we'll make the same texture, but you see we have diagonal lines in different directions, so it's going to be diagonal, straight, straight, diagonal. For the next building, we're going to make diagonal stitches. Follow the angle of the back stitch you have here. Okay, for this one, we'll make a grid, and I suggest to start with the horizontal stitches. So we're making a grid that's parallel to the back stitch. For this roof, we're going to make cross stitches. That's it for the roofs.